Gate valves are everywhere in a boiler system, but a lot of people still, they misunderstand what they're actually designed to do. Well, welcome to the Boiling Point. I am Richie Ware, and today we're going to talk a little bit about gate valve. Now let's start with what a gate valve actually is. A gate valve is designed for one primary purpose: isolation. Now inside the valve body is a flat or wedge-shaped metal gate that actually moves up and down when you turn the hand wheel. When the gate lifts completely out of the flow path, the valve, it fully opens. When it drops down, it blocks the flow completely. Think of it like a dam sliding down across a river. Up, water flows. It actually flows freely. Down, the river stops. That's really the basic idea. Now, here's something important when it comes to steam systems and boilers. Gate valves are designed to be either fully open or fully closed. They're really not meant for throttling or controlling the flow, okay? When someone tries to crack a gate valve halfway open to control steam flow, a few bad things actually start to happen. First, the high velocity steam erodes the edges of the gate. Second, the turbulent flow can actually cause vibration and damage to the seating surfaces. Third, it shortens the life of the valve dramatically. So here's the rule of thumb. It's pretty simple. Gate valves isolate, and the control valves, now they regulate. Now, two different jobs, right? That's what they are. So now let's talk about why gate valves work well in steam systems. When a gate valve is fully open, the gate is lifted completely out of the flow path. That means steam flows through the valve with very little resistance or pressure drop. That's important in boiler systems because steam distribution is all about moving energy efficiently. You want the steam to move freely through headers, mains, and branches without unnecessary restriction. Now, a fully open gate valve, it actually gives you that, okay? Another advantage is tight shutoff. When the valve is closed, the gate presses firmly against the seats inside the valve body. Now, this creates a solid barrier that isolates sections of the system. That's extremely important when you need to isolate a boiler for maintenance, shut off steam to maybe a piece of equipment, work safely on downstream piping. In other words, gate valves help create safe work zones in steam systems. Now let's talk briefly about how they fail, because that's something that every boiler operator out there should recognize. Now, one of the most common problems is the wear on the seats caused by throttling. Another issue, packing leaks around the valve stem. Over time, the packing that seals around the stem can wear out, and you'll start seeing steam leaking around the hand wheel area. You may also see stuck valves, especially in older systems where scale or corrosion actually builds up inside. That's why operators should exercise valves periodically. They open them fully, close them fully to make sure that they remain functional when you actually need them. Because when there's a shutdown, a repair, or an emergency, that valve has to work. And at a boiler plant, as all of you know, reliability matters. Now, let me leave you with one simple way to remember the role of a gate valve in steam systems. Gate valves are the light switch of a steam system. They're not the dimmer. They're actually, they're either on or they're off. Fully open to let that steam move freely. Fully closed to safely isolate the equipment. When used correctly, they last a long time and keep systems operating safely. When used incorrectly, they become one of the fastest ways to destroy a valve in a steam plant. So remember, isolation, not regulation. That's really the job of the gate valve. Now, we appreciate you hanging out with us on the Boiling Point. Make sure you like, make sure you share, and make sure you just subscribe to all of the videos. We appreciate you hanging out with us, and we'll see you next time on the Boiling Point.